day I met you, you were just a stranger, someone I never thought would change my world. I never knew that one simple meeting would lead me to the most beautiful girl. But little by little, you came into my heart, and somehow you became my favorite part. I never planned it, I never knew, but every road was leading me to you. From a stranger to my favorite person, from one hello to a love so strong. Since the day that I first met you, my heart is nowhere it belongs. I don't want a moment without you, I want forever just me and you. From the day we met until now, I'll keep choosing you somehow. Time has passed, but my heart still remembers the first time I looked into your eyes. Now every smile, every little moment makes me thankful that you came into my